there, Juliana Tomasek here from julianatomasek.com, and I have some fun hacks, social media hacks, and I want to show you a little trick I have where I can get free pictures. You know, pictures that I don't have to pay a royalty for, pictures that I don't have to, worry that I'm stealing somebody's photo, because that's really important. When someone takes a photograph, that you don't steal someone's work. And so this is a website called Pixabay, Pixabay.com, and basically it's free images, and you can search for something. Like I'm looking right now for a picture of a barn. I love pictures of old barns. I'm going to post on one of my Facebook pages. So I'm going to look for a barn and click on search. And it's got lots of different things. Like there's a really pretty one. I think I've used that one before though. So I am looking for a picture of a barn that will catch my eye. And I might look at a barn and I say, okay, here's one right here. And you can, when you click on it, you can see there's like different little tags for it. But what I want to do is I'm going to see, this is a free download, so I can download this picture. You can choose the different sizes of the picture you want. And I'm going to download it. Oh, I'm registered, but I did not log in. So let's see. I'm going to just go save image as. And I'm going to put this picture right here. Wisconsin barn, and I don't know if I spelled Wisconsin correctly, but when I post it on Facebook, I will spell it correctly. And so there you go. That is how you get a picture. And then I'm going to go back to my my Facebook page, and I actually have another Facebook page that I'm going to post on, and this is called let's see, one of my favorite pages. I started this just for fun a few years ago. It's called God's Country. And I just post fun pictures like this here. And again, I'm going to make a post. Just post it right here. Uploading a picture. And did I spell that correctly? Okay. And there you go. And then I can just click publish. And there you go, and it's published, and it will be there. And this is new. Add a send message to your post. But I'm just gonna, oops. This is new. All right, so thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.